What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Good morning. Positive vibes today, baby. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. I had a huge day yesterday. Yesterday was just absolutely beautiful. Took 3 trades yesterday. First one was on Netflix. We talked about this in the live stream in the morning, how I was watching Netflix either to the downside or to the upside. We also talked about how the put to call ratio was it was pretty high and we could expect a short squeeze. So that's exactly what happened yesterday. We saw that short squeeze in SPY. And yeah, so Netflix, this was my main trade yesterday. This is what made me the most profit. Anyways, I was watching Netflix above 192.85 for calls with a price target of 195 and then 197.41. That thing absolutely ripped and we killed it in the voice chat in Team Bull. So that was trade number 1. I also took profits on my VIX. I had leaps and I also had the one expiring for the 3rd Friday of this month, which is, let's see, the 20th. So we sold those for 50% and then the leaps were at 40% or 35-40%. So took profits on those and then we traded SPY. This was absolutely beautiful. Again, it's my ideal A+ setup. But as we can see, we basically got this orb right here traded in between the range for, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. And then it was finally able to break out the high a day, which was at 413.27. That's where we went long. And this thing ran all the way up to 416. So absolutely killer. And then I came back, let's see, right before I was getting ready to leave and I took this Netflix right here. Contracts only moved like $30, so I took some profit and then got stopped out on the rest. Basically a break-even trade. But yeah, that's and we also added PG. So we added right off of that weekly 8 EMA. Of course, it came and literally almost hit that weekly 21 EMA to a T and then went back up. So that would have been the best possible entry. However, I wasn't here when it did that. So we are in PG 165 calls, expiring a couple months out. But yeah, let's run it up today. What is this? Why do they always do this to me? There we go. And yeah, everybody click that like button. I greatly appreciate you guys. If you're not, make sure to click that subscribe button. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. And yeah, let's make a watch list. So hold on. Let's get that 1 hour, 4 hour. How was everybody's day yesterday? You guys make money, lose money, make mistakes? What we got? Also, finally got my new place. I think I move in either this weekend or next weekend. I will have to wait and see. I'm excited. Content game is going to be upped like crazy. Let's see. Anyways, so let me get the notebook. Let's see. Apple for the week. Apple was on the weekly watch list. Puts below 155.38, calls above 166.26. Where are we? We still have that 4 hour squeeze that hasn't released. Maybe calls above 158.71. And then puts below 157. Apple. Made 700. Hey, you're still green though. Made mistakes, but yep, everybody makes mistakes. I still make mistakes and I've been doing this for years, so it's part of the process. Let's see, I like Apple. AMD puts below 84, calls above 91.80. Whoops, typed that in the wrong place. AMD. They report, they actually look pretty bullish. Get a little flag right here, break above that pre-market high, 91.56. 91.79 is that little resistance right there. So ideally above 91.79, I'll really like it. So I do like AMD. Hey, $10, that's not bad. That's a start. Again, I literally like 2 weeks ago made $6. It was a Friday, made $6. There's some days where you're absolutely gonna kill it. Like yesterday, I don't even have to trade for the rest of the week. I already met my weekly goal, pretty much. So you're gonna have days like that. but you're also going to have days where you lose money, and you're going to have days where you make $6, $10, $15, you know, whatever it is. Again, that's part of trading. Not every day is going to be absolutely amazing. That's what we signed up for, though. Thank you, Evan. I greatly appreciate it. We're going to watch Boeing. BNO, I think oil's still getting clapped. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Helps with the YouTube algo. Helps push my channel. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Yeah, we're going to watch that BNO. We're also going to watch USO. Yeah, I'll say the disclaimer here in a few. USO, really liking that one. Might try to snag a swing on that. Facebook. That 212.50 area. Personally, I think the bottom is in for the market. That's my personal opinion, but I could be completely wrong. Facebook 212.75. I like that. IBM. I forgot about this. It's getting close to my entry. Just need it to drop a little more, and then I'll try to snag it. IBM. Let's see. UAL. Forgot to look at that yesterday. We'll look at that. Hold on. You know I like my orange dot squeezes. Surprised UAL isn't squeezing. Let's see. UAL. Microsoft. And remember, 150 likes if you guys want the watch list. Once we run it up to 150 likes, I will drop it for you guys. El Naza, why so? Gotta give me your opinion. Why do you think the market's gonna drop more? From a technical standpoint, I think the bottom's in. Talked about that monthly 21 EMA, how important it was for like months, and how I said I think we're gonna pull back to it. That's what that 410 level was, and then we rallied right off of that 405 level. That was discussed in Saturday's video. Come on, there we go. Microsoft, not too interested in. Netflix. Honestly, it's trying to break above that 200 level. 205, maybe look for calls above there. Zoom, still looking to add the equity there. Waiting for the break above 107.84. Nice little 4-hour squeeze. That's actually, is there liquidity in Zoom? Maybe we can trade some options. Nope. Never mind. Cool, so there's the weekly watch list. Then we got our day trading watch list. We looked at Boeing, Baba. China names are hard to trade, so we're just going to completely ignore that. We looked at Facebook, we looked at Microsoft, Nvidia. I don't know if we looked at this one. 4-hour squeeze. Calls above 197.11. Puts below 193. What is that? 193.64. Nvidia. PayPal had a nice day yesterday. 92, 92.50. Liquidity is in 95 calls. Okay, PayPal. SQ. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 140 people up in here and only 92 likes. I'm terrible at math, but I can tell you one thing: those numbers do not add up. SQ, nice 1-hour bull flag, 4-hour squeeze. Let's see. Maybe could snag an early entry above 106. 106.75. Above 106.75 we could really go, or puts below 104.83. So SQ. Tesla. 4-hour squeeze. I actually like that squeeze a lot. Tesla above 909.75. I'll watch that, or actually 910. Really like that setup. And then Exxon. I thought I had Twitter on my list. Tweeter. Oh, you're not lying. Let's see. 49.4, 49.75. The trend line at 50, which is going to be your psychological. And then that trend line, which is at like 51, 52. It's actually squeezing everywhere. So, I mean, those things, they're too cheap. That's the issue. The $50 calls are 21 bucks. What's up, Scott? Channel members, I greatly appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, the $50 calls are 22 bucks. I would have to buy like 50 of those to make like any real money. So if you're a small account, Twitter does look very good above 49.4 for a continuation plus that squeeze. It's too cheap for something that I would trade. But again, small accounts, feel free to watch. Yeah, Apple, AMD, Boeing, Facebook, Netflix, Nvidia, PayPal, SQ, Tesla. Cool. And then we got QQQ. Question for you guys real quick. Who is ready to make money today? We took a poll yesterday. Everybody said they were ready, and we absolutely killed it. So who is ready today? That's the real question. Positive vibes only. And there's a lot of volume yesterday. Want to know, you guys want to know something? Hold on. That's what I like to see. Look at this real quick. Where's my 5-year one day? I want you guys to notice something. Every single time the market drops, we have a huge volume spike on the SPY, like literally at the bottom. Every single time it drops and the market rebounds when these huge volume bars start coming in. Look at it. Every time. Look at just what happened these last few days. That volume's picking up big time. So definitely keep that on watch. Make it a little bigger for you guys so you can see it. Every time on the SPY, volume's picking up significantly. So, but yeah, that monthly 21 EMA, I told you it's going to be very important. We're holding. That's why I think the bottom's in. But we'll see. Right off that 405 level. Cool. Let's figure out what we're going to watch for the day. Narrow it down to 3 to 4. I see a lot of people in the chat ready to make some money. Let's do this. Yes, here, hold on. If you would like to join Team Bull, the Discord channel, or follow me on Instagram, Twitter, one-on-ones, etc., use that link right there. If you're looking to join the Discord, use discount code BULL50, BULL50. Get you 2 free trial days plus 50% off your first month. So you can't go wrong there. But let's see what we like the most. Apple squeezer, 4-hour, 30-minute squeeze. We'll come back to that one. AMD. I mean, AMD at 89 bounce looks pretty good. So I'm interested in that. AMD like. Yeah, if you're not in the Discord, I don't know what's wrong with you. But yeah, AMD, I like that. Definitely for the possible bounce. Let's see. Boeing. I am kind of unsure why I even put Boeing on the list. We're gonna get rid of Boeing. Me and Boeing have bad vibes, so get rid of Boeing. Facebook, yeah, we killed it yesterday. Facebook, that 212.73 is a major area. You can see that we rejected it in the pre-market, and we rejected it 2 days ago or Friday. Yeah, we crack above that. I mean, kind of looks like we're doing a little inverse head and shoulders here. The 218.97 is a possibility. I do like that. Yeah, here's the disclaimer. Hold on. All right, so disclaimer. Nothing talked about on this live stream is financial advice. I am not a certified financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence, as well as using proper risk management before entering any trade. Options trading is very, very risky. You can lose more than your initial investment. So again, nothing talked about on this live stream is financial advice, and I am not a certified financial advisor. Past performance does not indicate future performance. Bingo. Anyways, so I love this Facebook. Love, not like, love. Netflix. Again, if you guys are not, make sure to click that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list, as well as uploading daily content for you guys. This is probably one of my most favorite videos that I've made, I would say, this year. But yeah, how you can become a consistently profitable trader. I talk about the importance of making a pre-market plan and a weekly plan. So that PG yesterday, the reason why we entered PG exactly where we did, because that was my plan. Or the Tesla trade on Friday, that was my plan. So yeah, tons of free content for you guys. Plus, go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what to tell you. You are living life wrong. But yeah, I like this Netflix above 200.5 for calls. Look at the 205 calls. Love. Video. Yeah, literally, like when we ran through the weekly watch list, I have a pen. Or not a pen, but I have it written on paper. 5.222 to 5.622 trade plan. Everything is written out. Apple puts below 155.38, calls above 166.26. USO, I'm looking at the $85 calls at the breakout of the symmetrical triangle for June or July. BNO, 35 calls for June or July, or the 32 calls for October if it breaks out the symmetrical triangle. So trust me, when you plan everything, it is so simple to actually execute the trade. And video looks hot though. Sexy. Video love. PayPal. Lots of squeezes today. Denied that trend line, that 1 hour trend line. I mean, 92, 92.50, and then above that, that's a possibility. I think SQ, yes, SQ was the one squeezing. So 106. Really? There's not even any liquidity. Did they report this week? 5.5 in 2 days. What's that? That's Thursday. Surprised there's no liquidity. They are in the 115s. That's super far out though. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Sorry if that picked up. Hold on. Bing bang. Ah, man, I got the speaker still. Let's see. I mean, there's a $35 delta on the 115s. That's super far out of the money. I mean, I guess it could do that. SQ 115 call is where the liquidity is. And then Tesla. Yeah, it's not like I post a watch list every single Sunday. All you guys got to do is mark the levels. Same thing with SPY and QQQ. All you gotta do is mark the levels. But hey, who am I? Yeah, that Tesla above 910. Sexy. Okay, so AMD, Facebook, Netflix, Nvidia, SQ, and Tesla. So we narrowed it down to 6. We're removing Apple. We're removing PayPal. Now we don't want that Tesla to break. That 910 is beautiful if we don't break above it. Let's see. Compare premiums. AMD premiums 350. Yeah, it's because it's on the speaker. I am not fortunate enough to... Wait, where's Nvidia at? So if we're looking for the break of 197.11, we can 200 psychological number. So let's see, let's watch Nvidia, get rid of AMD. I mean, now we're left with 5. Cool, let's do it. Facebook. Oops. Somebody asked a question about the TTM squeeze. Oh, yeah. Andy, TTM squeeze, right down here. Best trading indicator ever. If you would like to purchase a TTM squeeze, link is in that description. Or not in the description, hold on. In that. So Facebook, 212.75. I got nothing until 218. Yeah, literally. Oh, wait, there's one level. I mean, no, that's higher. Kind of looks like we're getting a little symmetrical triangle too. Or not symmetrical, ascending. You guys see that on the 1 hour? 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit. We correct that 212.75, that sucker is gone. $216.61. Hold on. Say like 215.22. Alrighty, Facebook. We can look at the Fed futures here in a second. I'll tell you what's being priced in. Facebook. Loving this setup above 212.75 for calls. Price target equal 215.22, 216.61, 218.97, or a bounce at 208.50. Cool. There's Facebook. Let's look at the Fed futures. What is being priced in? They're pricing in a 75 to 100 basis points rate hike for tomorrow. 98.7%. So triple rate hike is but pretty much what they're expecting, a triple rate hike. June 15th, they're leaning more towards 150, 175. So that's going to be 2 triple rate hikes in a row for May and June. July. And then it goes double, single, double, single, double, single, double. So yeah, tomorrow, don't be surprised if you see a triple rate hike. That's pretty much what the market has already took into consideration. This is like a ridiculous amount of people have already, accepted the fact that we're going to get that. But yeah, keep an eye on the Fed rate hike futures. All you got to do, go to CME Group and type in Fed rate hike futures, or go into Google and do that. But yeah, so I love Facebook. Again, I could be completely wrong with these setups too. That's why it's very, very important to wait for the actual breakout. If it does break out and it pulls back, just use proper risk management, get out of the trade, and move on with your day. But Netflix above that 205 does really interest me. Nvidia, that 4-hour squeeze is very interesting. Let's see. 199.41, 200. I mean, that's pretty much what I'm going to aim for today. Is going to be 200. So, Nvidia, nasty 4-hour squeeze, looking for the break above 197.11 for calls. I promise you guys, once I get the new place, you're not going to hear me typing anymore. I know it's bad. Let's see, for calls, price target equal 200. Can look for a denial for puts there, or a break below 193.6 for puts. Boom. Cool. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We did hit the 150 like goal. Maybe we can run it up to 175 likes. That'd be pretty dope. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to do that. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, I don't know what to tell you. Hold on. We got Nvidia. Now we got SQ and Tesla. Somebody said Tesla broke. Let's hope not. It hardly broke. Actually, the typing sounds cool. Okay, thank you. Yeah, that Tesla, it hardly broke. Nothing that I'm worried about. Let's see the high from 2 days ago. 934.4, 944.29, 948.44. Good morning, 948.44. Actually, Tesla came right down to that weekly 55 EMA and hit it to a T yesterday. We're also chilling right below that 200 SMA. That was yesterday's high. We're well above that. Hold on. Left extension off. So I know that's yesterday's high. I'd be pretty interested to see what Tesla does. Could give us like $8 worth of room. And then, I mean, after that, I ain't got much. Anything on the monthly? Nah, really nothing. Sounds good to me. Puts you in the work mood. Oh, my typing is a signature. All right. I'm gonna say with this Tesla, I don't see anything for a long while. Actually, I don't even, there's nothing there. I don't see any resistance until 934. 918 is also going to act as an area, but actually we also have that like 1 hour inverse head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. I don't see much. Let's see if we can get this squeeze the fire. Maybe look for puts below pre-market lows. 898. But how you guys asking me my thoughts on PG? We just entered the swing yesterday. This happens every time. Every time I post a swing. Tesla. It was the same thing with VIX. And then we sold VIX at 50% yesterday. Gotta let the swing trades play out and be patient. Tesla. Another 4-hour squeeze. Looking for the break above 911 for calls. I have no resistance until 918.75. 934.4. Trim as it moves in our direction. Puts below 898. There's Tesla. Netflix. Swing trade on PG. 165 calls expiring a couple months out. 200.5. Watch the weekly watch list. Those are my swings. Where I tell you which stocks I'm watching for swings. Yeah, 200.5. Again, everything is laid out for you guys. Every single Sunday and Saturday. All the levels, all the stocks I'm watching, all laid out. Let's see, 204.71. I mean, I don't got much. Cool. Let's see if Netflix can crack that 200. Let's see. 206.77. Cool. Let's see. Netflix looking for a break above 200.5 for calls. For calls, price target equal 204.71. 206.77. Boom. There's Netflix. And then finally SQ. SQ. Yeah, if that thing cracks, that 106.58, your boy is down for calls. Let's see. Price target 107.52. 107.53, whatever. 111.73. The high of Friday was 110.44. Cool. SQ. Another squeezer on the 4-hour. Looking for a break above 106.50 or 106.60 for calls. Price target equal 107.53. 110.44. 111.75. Boom. There's everything I'm watching for the day. So, yeah, we hit 171 likes. I greatly appreciate you guys today. You ran up that like button again. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Every single morning I go live 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Plus I got tons of free content for you guys on the channel. Again, every single Saturday I give you guys all of my SPY and QQQ levels. All you gotta do, watch the video, mark your charts. You're gonna have them for the whole week. And then on Sunday I give you guys my top 15 stocks that I am watching for the week as well. Again, very simple. All you gotta do is watch the video and mark your levels and then execute the trades properly. But yeah, so here's the watch list. 1 second. I'll take a couple minutes to answer any questions. So if you guys got questions, drop them down in the chat while I try to copy and paste this. There we go. Facebook. But yeah, drop your questions. Let's see what we got. NVIDIA. Netflix. And SQ. Boom. I have not traded DraftKings in months. If I told you, if I knew that we were pumping or dumping on Wednesday, I would be making $1 million tomorrow alone. Again, I personally think the bottom of the market's in, but that's my opinion. Again, Chris, it's up to you if you swing them. Completely up to you. Yeah, we got big lists today. We got 5. Usually it's 4. Let's see. So let me put everything up here. Facebook, Tesla. I'll be very disappointed if everything drops. NVIDIA. Let's see, NVIDIA. Tesla. We already got Tesla. Netflix. We already got Netflix. SQ. All right, we do not spam the chat. 658. I would say if you did not enter the PG yesterday when I put it out, it's too late. Usually the first bounce is when you'll see the reaction. If it tries to bounce again, it's weaker and it's higher risk. So, yeah, if you didn't get in, I would say it's too late. But yeah, Facebook, NVIDIA, Tesla, Netflix, and SQ. Hopefully the market goes in our direction. If not, we're going to be looking for put setups to the downside. But this is just ideally what I like and the direction that I like. So again, if you guys are not in the Discord, make sure you guys do join by using, hold on, this link right here. And if you guys do want to join the mentorship for me, Grizzly, and GD, it starts, oh my god, what month is it? It's not March, May. Starts May 16th. If you would like to join, here's the link for that. Seats are getting limited, so once they sell out, they're sold out. Yeah, everything's taught live 3 days a week, 7 p.m. Eastern time. We also have Jay Morg teaching for a whole week, so shout out Jay Morg. But yeah, other than that, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. If you guys make money off the watch list, feel free to take a screenshot, send it to me on Instagram. If you lose money, I'm not responsible because I'm not a certified financial advisor, and everything is based on my opinion and my opinion only. But yeah, let's run it up. Let's make some money. Everybody have an amazing day. If you're in the Discord, I'll talk to you.